Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Honeygain. First, ensure you have both applications installed and properly set up. Honeygain allows you to earn by sharing your internet, and MetaMask is your secure gateway to managing cryptocurrencies. This connection is essential for receiving your earnings directly in crypto, offering a streamlined and efficient payout process for your passive income. Once you've accumulated enough earnings, typically 20,000 Honeygain credits, you'll be eligible for a payout. Navigate to your Honeygain dashboard and select the Jump Task option. This mode is specifically designed for cryptocurrency withdrawals, allowing for a direct transfer of your earnings. Make sure your MetaMask wallet is active and prepared to receive the tokens. Now, from your Honeygain dashboard, access the Jump Task section. You will see an option to Connect Wallet. Click this and select MetaMask from the available choices. A prompt will appear in your MetaMask browser extension asking for your approval to connect. Carefully review the details and confirm the connection to proceed. After approving the connection, return to your Jump Task dashboard. You should now see your MetaMask wallet address clearly displayed, confirming a successful link. Your Honeygain earnings will automatically be transferred to this wallet, providing a seamless way to manage your crypto. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This smart speaker can truly bring your space to life with its amazing features.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.